This one's a boss hog. Big freaking hammer. We got idioter over here.
This is a fan.
Well, there's only one thing to do now. Brake test. TRX versus WRX.
Yeah.
Good morning. What is today? Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. It's a rainy day, as you can see. It's pretty wet outside. We've been getting a lot of rain this year. It's nice right now because it was super hot this weekend. It's like, gotta be like 68 right now. I don't know. It's pretty cool right now. I'm talking to Nathan on the other side of the camera and drinking a Red Bull. Doing some tires on this STI, black STI over there. Couple goodies in the shop right now. That we already talked about that. This is kind of neat. It's a kind of like a retro build. Got some old-timey parts on it. Thing's not been running for a very long time, so we're trying to fix that. And then we're gonna go find out what Michael's doing. Michael's replacing an oil pump on a WRX. How's this going, Michael?
I'm not enjoying it at all.
That wouldn't be very fun to do in the car. I would say so. Michael, what do you want to say to all the people that came to the Atlas Social at Union Social, the very first one?
That show was awesome. We need to keep going with it, and we're going to change a few things up next time around, and we hope to see a bigger turnout. It was fantastic as it was. We're going to keep these going. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was really surprising to us. We were more than pleased with the turnout, especially with the heat. A lot of people canceled because of the heat. We still filled up that parking lot. Everybody that came out probably really enjoyed the mimosas, the Bloody Marys, the long drinks, the breakfast burritos, the pastries, all that stuff. Everybody was having a blast looking at all the cars that came, and yeah, it's pretty rad. Pretty rad that a couple shops showed up too, local shops. Jeremy Baumgard with Intelligent Performance, he brought his Corvette. Joey Kyman with Excessive Auto Sports, he brought out his shop car. And we got Mario Hernandez with Top Shelf Performance. He drove from Wisconsin to bring his Bug Eye to the show. So those are all pretty rad. I wish I would have gotten to talk to them at the show. So next time, we're going to do some more filming at the show. We're just way too busy with the first show. Yeah, so Nathan's going to put up some deets right now about the next couple shows. And we'll see you there.
What ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way I made the way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fade away. Hey, hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. On my mama, I'ma need all them commas. Till I'm all star that drummer. Long term smoke like an all day sauna. Proud with the on none. Feeling like my lungs and I'm feeling like y'all too, man. I don't care what y'all do. Better have my check with enthusiasm. Finna make a cool get moody. Yeah, them on my whole trip on my expedition. Play it once, better get an extra listen. Cool as an unused pillar side. We vilify, but we still a ride. It ain't no Pepto. Made plays with the petro. Talking to a doer, not a preacher. Booming in the street like I'm booming in the speaker. Truest in the game, still a student and a teacher. With it like a state trooper. Grown, blame you a late bloomer. Fly as a young, hard to be my feature. Price like a long degree. I make real anthems. Turn foes into fans. Turn words to a good life. Really is what it look like.
All right, real quick, I got a question. How long do you think I've been filming this clip? How long do you think that one tire took you?
A minute 45 seconds.
I'm right at 3 minutes.
Paved the way, drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fade away, ayy, ayy. Ball on the fade away, ayy. Ball on the fade away, ayy. Ball on the fade away, ayy, ayy. Ball on the
Yeah, trying to get a new S4, keep it low key, swift, I gotta move, let's know. Hop up in the smooth press, go every stoplight, making sure my tune turned on.
You videotaping me?
I am videotaping you.
This is a fan. Wow. Wow. In this box, you have a completely bone stock Type RA STI short block. As you can tell, completely stock.
Nice. Jeremy from out front hooking it up. Got the head gaskets. All the head gaskets you could ever want. It's in there, Michael. Yeah. That doesn't look stock.
Yeah. I think our customer's goal for this car is about 320 wheel horsepower.
Dude, he sent you the wrong short block.
I wasn't supposed to get a V4 Ultra? What the heck?
Oh, dude, our customer's gonna be pissed, dude.
Yeah, we'll get this on a stand here in
Bro just
Start
blew our
putting
customer's
stuff
budget way out of the water.
yeah, dude. We weren't supposed to get a V4 Ultra. We were supposed to get a RA short block. These things suck, dude. Alright. Engine is clean. Clean all the sealing surface. All the RTV is off for the old stuff. We've got fresh cover right here. I'm gonna throw some sealant on it, throw it in the car, and continue on with assembly.
Go every stoplight, making sure my tune turned on. Could never go broke, trying to chase no drones. By every move I make, they trace my phone. If it ain't face to face, ain't nothing going on. If you can't match the pace, of work won't take you. Give a no life alert, can't save you. Better ask Jesus if that's your savior. When I was broke, like legs on dining room tables. Once a while I eat, but still unstable. Live with no friends or bros or next door neighbors that I could call up on and ask no favors. So when I get on, it's a mountain of stunting I gotta do. Every point like credit, I gotta prove.
Give you the droop here,
Oh yeah.
and then there's a lot of travel on these things.
These are kind of interesting. It's a really tiny brake.
The front brake's good.
No, not at all. Guess I never realized that.
It's still a big brake.
It is.
It just looks funny behind those giant bolts.
They're only 18s. Like,
Yeah, but an 18 on a WRX would look monstrous on the brakes. Oh no, not even close. That rotor is twice the size of that rotor. It's way bigger.
that's still a smaller rotor than what's on my Super.
Oh yeah. You don't need big brakes.
It kind of isn't.
Nathan's just recording.
It's a way
Yep.
faster car than my Super. And it's 3 times as heavy. You know what I'm saying?
Well, there's only one thing to do now. Brake test. TRX versus WRX.
Yeah. Shit.
Cadet, it ain't that major. Feel like Michael Scott, I love this paper so much I can't delay. I got things to say, cause once you made a way, they can't that phase. You gotta make a way, they can't that phase. Today,
5 bikes.
All 5 of them for
1,200
$1,200
bucks.
Where at?
Sioux Falls.
You want to tell them I'll just come pick them up right now?
The gas one's taken out of crate
There's
2.
4 electric ones though.
So?
1 gas. Yeah, what kind of... Oh yeah, there's 4 small electric ones. That's the gas one.
And that's a Haas rig right there.
Boss rig right there.
Boss Hog. How are these electric ones? $1,200 for all of them.
No.
Who says no?
But they were all considered better.
I know. I just don't know about the electric ones. Because the use the electric ones aren't going for very much. Oh, but this gas one's a Boss Hog.
It takes off pretty quick. I think they said it goes like 18 miles an hour.
I don't know. I think we should go pick them up. Good morning. It's Wednesday, I think. Did I say Wednesday?
It is Wednesday.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
It's hot as It's really not that hot. It's just really humid. I've got a wheel stuck on it. Got my BFH out. Hopefully I got it on. There it is. Ooh.
Hey, what does BFH stand for? The people that don't know what that stands for.
Big fucking hammer. Oh, big fucking hammer. Doing a wheel rack. Race. Not sure. Also, we were talking about condoms earlier.
No, the guys that just deal with them slipping off, but they just know they need them.
And the parents of whatever Dodge Chrysler Stellantis engineer decided to go with these, their parents should have been wearing condoms.
Doesn't fit.
That is a tight squeeze you guys are working with there.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. Or he said.
Something went in my nose. Like, waft. Whatever that was.
And then, good morning. Got some cool cars in the shop today. Watch out, it's a mess right now. Watch out.
I'll probably fall. It's okay.
We got 88er over here. Michael is gonna pull the engine out of this STI. I'm sure you recognize the STI. So it looks like we got a head gasket issue. Ooh, Subaru head gasket issue. 600 horsepower Subaru. Shut up. Is that a Supra? And then 1992 3000 GT VR4 in here for some diagnostacks. Hook up the smoke machine to it. We're gonna find out if there's anything wrong. I found some issues with it already, but we're gonna fix this thing. I'll update you later. Actually, I won't. I'm gonna leave early today, so.
That's gnarly. It's all the time. All right, there we go. There you go.
No, the guys that just deal with them slipping off, but they just know they need them.
Sounds like you deal with this, have dealt with this from experience.
Yes.